A lot of times patients will have pain in their jaws, and mostly from the joints in their jaws, and that is treatable in a variety of different ways. And most of those ways are relatively simple, actually. Repositioning of the way that their teeth bite together is enormously helpful for most of those patients. In addition to building some sort of a grinding or a bite guard, something that they can wear at night. Sometimes people are, grinding really terribly in their sleep or just clenching. They don't even have to be just grinding, they can be clenching. I have patients who only clench when they drive. There's lots of different, parts of people's lives where they can excessively wear that joint, and it can cause you quite a bit of pain. But most of the time we can readjust the way the teeth close together and make them a lot more comfortable. To fix that, we really spend a lot of time looking at the way their teeth close together and trying to alter the shape and the sizes of the teeth so that their jaws fit together and the joint goes back into a more comfortable position for them. Once we adjust the bite to do that, then we can usually get rid of 75 to 95% of the pain that they have.